Hey everyone, what is this, you may ask? This is my newest favorite thing. I love this. I have a little bit of a hack for you as well. So this is a tablet stand. This is how it comes in the box. I was very confused. So you lift it up like this, and then you lift up the second portion, and then it is a stand. But here's the best part. It spins. How amazing is that for when you're in the kitchen making recipes or talking to someone on your tablet? So this is what it looks like in use, and then you can turn it this way. So how great is that if you're talking to the grandparents, you talk to one person, you talk to the other person, you're turning back and forth, or you just leave it like this. You can have your tablet either way. You can make it lower, higher, really adjust this. I also thought this would be great if you just have an old school cookbook. This I just reviewed actually. This is this Scratch and Sketch National Parks Landmark book. I love this as well. This is great too if you're a teacher. You turn it this way for one person, this person for another person, turn it back around for yourself. I just see this as being so super versatile. Non-slippies on the bottom and on this nice shelf here and behind. This is sturdy and amazing. I highly recommend this tablet and phone stand.